Sanbonani guys, welcome back to get another video. You guys, my one question is what is so what is Samantha's intentions with bringing her co-worker or bringing her partner rather to the show to expose Umamtun? Like expose her, then they say I don't get it because listen, uSamantha says to Mamtunu, ngiyazi mina nawe siyazwana kodwa I want to expose ama-true colors akho. UMamtunu is sitting there yambona ukuthi yay, she's not so sure ukuthi uSamantha uzothini. Now, I feel like wrong move number one. Guys, don't ever feel too comfortable as Tembini. And I feel like that's one thing Umamtunu has done. She's trusted uSamantha so much. And yes, it was a tag team because of Ukondanisa and what Ukondanisa does. But I feel like some things, hayi man, uSamantha uyamphaphela. uSamantha uphaphela uMamthunu. And I feel like uMamthunu omnikeze leyo platform. Because there's absolutely no reason why uSamantha should be even speaking indaba ye paternity yengane zika Mamthunu. So anyway, Samantha brought her friend there. So in one of the episodes you would have seen Wuti, there's this friend Samantha. She has those what do they call them, guys? Those containers. Yeah, ingathi badayisa amakota or something like that. So angithi uSithoko she likes visiting there. Kusho ukuthi bayazwana ke. This lady makayichaza uLokhuzana business partner kaSamantha. Makayichaza she said ukuthi one day we were out drinking, having drinks, and uMamthunu yena she had a slip of mouth, and she said the reason why I'm not going to do a DNA test for these children is because mina noSamantha siyalazi iqiniso. What is that supposed to mean? I mean, she uSithoko could have said that, and she could have just been joking around, like to say ukuthi vela abantu or saying that. So I'm joking around. But listen, uSamantha brought that lady ukuthi azokhuluma leyo nto in front of phambi kwabantu. So I'm like, Samantha, why you feel so invested in this thing yengane? Because it's not only this season, it's the previous season as well. But at the same time, I want to say ukuthi uSithoko uyalayeka. Uyalayeka because why does she keep befriending uSamantha, guys? Why? uSamantha said that last season ukuthi ingane or not uKondanisa's children. This season, did we not see uSithoko no Samantha busy buddy? So uSithoko yile ayinxengile that she wants to be friends with uSamantha because uSamantha abamhloniphi. But that's why I'm asking, what is Samantha's intentions? Because even if, hypothetically speaking, guys, those are not uKondanisa's children, ungenaphi, it's not her place to be exposing that. But it's almost as if uSamantha is kind of bitter. Because what are you truly exposing? Hey? Like, what are you truly exposing, or are you indirectly saying because people are saying mina, okay, I did Kondanisa wrong part. Anyway, uSithoko here, she's not for the innocent. Hi, bo, guys. Pasopani. Hey, bom, be friendly nabangani benu, be friendly nabomnawenu. But hi, bo, ungakhuluma isifuba sonke because one day, guys, kuyaqaykana la emhlabeni. And nokuqaykana, some people, they will go low. Hey, bo, they will go below the belt, bazifafaz indaba zakho, just so that the whole world can see another side of you. I felt sorry for Mamtunu, but Mamtunu, what more could she say? She was just screaming. That's all she does. She just screams. And she's like, hey, boy, in next season, you will see her friends with uLokhuzana, with uSamantha. Ukondanisa has never asked for a paternity test, you guys. And I feel like the reason why he has never asked for a paternity test, remember, number one, uhlangane noSithoko when she was a young girl, ETG, bekaziphethe kahle. But I think the second thing is that yabona le ndaba yokuthi like ungumuntu okhuluma kakhulu, awuna filter. Abantu abakuthathi serious. And I feel like that's Samantha. Samantha, in her, it feels or it seems like in her head, she prides herself bokuzitshela ukuthi mina ngizomtshela umuntu indaba zakhe, angisabi muntu, and that's nice for her. But the flip side of that, guys, that people don't take you serious. They just think to themselves ukuthi hayi lawyers khulumela anything. So I feel like uKondanisa doesn't take uSamantha serious, even though there might be something there, because uSamantha always speaks like that. She speaks from the top of her head. So who's gonna take her seriously? I mean, majority of the people on social media are not taking uSamantha seriously. But listen, uSamantha saying, ngingayikhupha nenhlawulo, go and do the DNA test, because mina ngizama ukuvula lesiphukuphuku esinguKondanisa amehlo. I'm like, if you don't care about him and you're not into him anymore, what's the purpose? Why uzama umvula amehlo? Myeke, angithi uphumile kuyena, phuma ezindabeni zabo. Hi guys, like that irritated me a little bit, because I'm like, Samantha, hi man, yiba nefilter, ungumzali. Imagine someone did that to you. Or maybe usenesgrubu, you guys, or ubambe isgrubu towards Samantha, because it came out to Samantha and Kondanisa's sister. They trapped Samantha to telling the truth of whether her child is Kondanisa's child or not. So maybe she's trying to pay back for that. Asazi. Anyway, guys, tell me your thoughts to Umepi. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys in the next one.